beauties, it's me, Evie, and I am here with an Ipsy opening. It says discover yourself. What do we know about Ipsy? It's called the Ipsy Glam Bag, and it has 5 deluxe beauty samples. It's members choose one product. It's up to a $70 value, and it's $13 a month, which I think is a good price range because you usually get quite a few uses out of even the sample products. Beautiful little bags. I love bags like this. They're so pretty. Go with my earrings. If I had worn my other onesie, I would be totally matching. Very cute. I like this a lot. We have our 5 products. So it's a reusable bag, and it is so pretty. Okay, so the first product we have is from Trifle. Not heard of this brand. It's Jelly Juice Tinted Lip Glow. Vegan, no paraffins. It's made with castor seed, sunflower, and soybean. And it's made with shea butter and vitamin E, cranberry and raspberry extracts. Sounds tempting. It comes in this cute little squeeze, and it is got ice cream and candy all over it. It's just this kind of, can you see that? Let's try it. Kind of has that balm texture, but it's not sticky. I would say it's a little gritty, in fact, but not sticky. The next thing we have is from Lottie London. And it's just a really pretty, it's a 4-piece eyeshadow palette. And it says it is rose gold. Oh, wow. Well, that's a lot more pigmented than I assumed it would be. So those are the shades. The glitters are very sheer, but if I catch the light the right way, you can definitely see them. But those 2 solid colors are very beautiful. I can see myself reaching for this quite often. You know, those are I like my rose gold colors. Next product we have is this concealer brush with the tilted end, and I'm not sure what the brand is. It's something Miss Glam. I'm not sure, but it has cute little orange slices on a blue brush with a bit of a blue-white reminiscence of unicorn colors. Oh, look at the 2 little stones. That is a cute little detail. I like the brush. I like it that it's tilted like that. So that's very cute. I feel like this could be considered a full size and, you know, a brush, obviously. The next product we have is Shades by Shan. It is a liquid pen in the shade Black Onyx. You just pull it off. Oh, that's I like the tip on that. The tip on this is very good. It's going to make a very good straight line. I really like that. I like it a lot. I'll be excited to try that out. I feel like that's probably a full size. And I feel like this is a full size item. From e.l.f. It's Power Grip Primer. I've actually been seeing a lot of beauty gurus using this. And I was actually thinking about picking it up. It is translucent and clear. And it is a primer. It says use fingertips to apply and pat into skin. Allow to set for 30 seconds to absorb and activate grip prior to makeup application. I will really, really love using this. I hear that it's amazing. And honestly, a good face depends on a good primer. So if you're not using primer, you need to go out and get you some primer. Or order an Ipsy bag for yourself for $13 a month and get you some e.l.f. Okay, so that is our 5 deluxe beauty samples. Now, I'm not sure if this is a creator's package added to, or if everybody's gonna get it. But this is Refreshments Dazzling 5-Blade Razor Set. It comes with the razor, 2 heads, and a wall mount. It is promoting that there is no nicks, no cuts, just soft, satiny skin. And it offers you a pampering experience. And then we also have in here Pillowy Shave Cream. Love the packaging. It is promoting the ideal glide for an extra close shave. Moisturizing formula. You know how to use this. I hope you wet your legs, put it on, and then shave. And I would think that they were sending this because this month the Ipsy bag, Ipsy with BoxyCharm box is on Good Vibes and getting yourself in a vacay mode, or actually going on vacay. I, unfortunately, will be just celebrating vacay here at home, obviously. I am home. So, yeah, maybe I'll shave my legs. I have always been looking for is I actually use a man's razor, and it's because I switched over a couple years, about maybe 7-8 years ago. And it was just from an accident of using my husband's razor. But then I realized, hey, I'm not cutting myself as bad. So I'm always on a lookout for a girl Pacific razor, because obviously we should be more inclined to service our needs. 5 deluxe size sample products, and we got the razor and the shaving cream on the side. So this was a very good box for me. I liked the lip, and I know I'm gonna love the colors. I know I'm gonna love the e.l.f. product, just because e.l.f. is amazing, right? All right, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I encourage you to look in the description, use the code to go and sign up for your monthly edition of the Ipsy Glam Bag.